Okay, so now we continue with our CYS330 test 2. So now let's see the next question. So the next question is saying subtract the following numbers in 1's complement using 8 bits. Okay, now at least we are moving to subtraction. So we are given 66 minus negative 78. 66 minus negative 78. Okay, so we have 66 minus negative 78. So the question is straightforward. We are adding, we are saying subtract these two numbers using what? Is it 1's complement? So in 1's complement, okay. So now, remember we are starting with our powers of 2. So 1 times 2, it's 2. 2 times 2, it's 4. 4 times 2, it's 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. 32 times 2, 64. 64 times 2, we have 128. So this is our 8-bit. Now, remember, what we need to understand is that a complement affects a negative number. So let's target, first of all, 66. Now, this is subtraction. The rules will change. Okay, so here are the rules for subtraction. So if you have a number such as 66 minus negative 78, the main sign, which is this minus, not the negative but the minus, will change to positive. So it will be 66 plus, okay, and that sign after this main sign also change. So because this is a negative, it will become a positive 78, like that. Okay, so this is the same as 66 plus 78 in simpler terms. Okay, so if you miss this principle now, you understand in the next video, but for now, let's see. Okay, so we can see that our final product is the same as we don't have a negative number. So even though we are saying subtract these two numbers in 1's complement, is the same as we are adding them. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to convert 66 in binary. Remember, there is just a positive, so we'll say 66, here we have 64 plus 2, we get 66. These are zeros. Okay, that's not a 6, it's a 0. I have a bad handwriting, so this is our 66. Then 78 again. 78 again, we need to convert it in binary. Remember, now it's a positive, so it's not affected. So what we'll do, we'll say 64, okay, plus what now? So 64 plus 8, it's 72. Plus 4, it's 76. Plus 2, it's 78. So that's our 78. So we have our 78. Now remember, now they are both positive based on this outcome. So there's no need for us to panic. We just need to add them. So we'll say 0 plus 0, it's a 0. 1 plus 1, it's a 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, it's a 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, it's a 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is just a 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is a 1. Now, what was our bigger number? Our bigger number was 78. So we come where the 78, and you can see our first one is here. So we put a demarcation before that. This becomes our sign, and this becomes our magnitude. So remember, For us to determine whether an overflow has occurred, we need to find out what's the outcome first. So what is 66 minus negative 78? Remember, it's the same as 66 plus 78. So just say 78 plus 66, the normal mathematics. So here we say 8 plus 6 is 14, 4 carry 1. 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 1, 14, 144. Okay, let's just confirm. This is 14, 1. Okay, this is 13, okay, it's okay, 144. Now, the answer which we are expecting is a positive because it's straightforward, 144. Okay, now let's convert 144 into binary first so that we confirm if this is correct. Now remember, this is what 1's complement, don't forget that. So we'll come up with the powers of 2. Say this is our 1 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. Then the last one times 2, it's what's happening, 128. Okay, 128. Then we need to convert 144. Okay, so we'll start at 128. So we'll put the 1 here. Now let's just say what is 144 minus 128. We do things fast. Okay, so here we'll borrow a 1 and this will become a 3, this a 14. So 14 minus 8 it's 6, 3 minus 2 it's 1, and then 1 minus 1, this is just a 0. So we have 16. So here we have a 16. So we know that 128 plus 16 will give us 144. So here we'll put zeros. Okay, so this is our 144. Now if we compare these two things, you can see that they just look the same. This is 100, 1, and the rest are zeros like that. But why are we not taking it further to 1's complement to change this thing? It's because our outcome is not following the principle for complements, because these are both positive numbers now. So we can see that this value is correct, but as an overflow occurred, yes. Why? Because our outcome has a negative sign, but we were expecting a positive sign. So let's just confirm the answer, otherwise we are done for this one. So you'll be understanding as we proceed. So we have 100, 1, the rest are zeros. So let's confirm. So 100, 1, the rest are zeros. So an overflow has occurred, as I've explained. Okay, so my name is Asoko James, representing KMU Cybersecurity Tutorials. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one as we proceed with the CYS330 test 2 answers for binaries for now.